Life is a game. Nowadays, there are a lot of games and ways to entertain. Unfortunately, they all lack the game or the life part and become boring. That's why we came up with the idea to combine those two and to try a mix of adventure, mystery, and gameplay, where you're at the center of the story. It's your story. So, boys, are you ready?
It's already our story, for 6 months. During this time we've rented the perfect spot at the center of Sofia for our first room. We've performed the major repairs, built a consistent story that's accompanying the puzzles, the main part of one we've already finished. Most importantly, we've built and strengthened up our team. And what about the game? Just follow the rules. Your team consisting of 2 to 5 people enters the room. All doors are locked and you're left with 1 hour to solve all the puzzles inside, resolve all the mysteries and find the right path through the story in order to leave the room. By creating different rooms throughout the biggest Bulgarian cities and prepare special movable team building rooms, Dextrophobia rooms will be soon one of the main entertainment alternatives for weekdays and weekend spare time. Are you the next one to join the game?